Because sir,
Just a
Hari,
minute. Morning, everybody. I've already sent you the questions. Now I want the discussion. 5 questions and 5th question
sir,
has
because sir, Hari is
4.
most suitable.
Now what is the first question?
with
Rudra
you.
Gautam, what is the read the first question? What the first question is?
Sir, let you and her go home.
Yes. Let you and her go home. Why her is right?
Sir, because sir, she is not suitable. Then you
Why
and
she
sir,
is not suitable? Why
suitable.
she is not suitable? Let me explain. Listen to. Note down. After let, after verb, always objective case. What did you note down? After verb and let, always objective case. Her is objective, she is nominative case or subjective case. So her is right. Now second one. These mangoes are for you and out of I, me, mine. Which one is right?
For me.
Me, right? These mangoes are for you and me. Why me is right?
सर बिकॉज नाइन होता है अपने अकेले के लिए खुद के लिए
No, it's not the right answer. Listen to. After preposition, in the first sentence I said, after verb and let, always objective case. And after preposition also objective case. Out of the 3 options present here, I, me and mine, I is nominative case, me is objective case, mine is possessive case, possessive pronoun. So only me is objective case, so me is right. Next one, third. I'm not satisfied your explanation. Which preposition is right?
Sir, with.
With is right. It is the fixed preposition. Satisfied with. Satisfied with. Fixed preposition. Okay, fourth one. He will have
Sir, does from can come from can come?
No. Fixed preposition. Satisfied with. Always. It's a fixed preposition. You have to learn preposition with respect to the verb. Everybody. You have to learn preposition with respect to the verb. They are fixed with the certain verbs. There is no other rule. Only cramming is the rule. Only learning them by heart is the rule.
Okay, sir.
Question number 4. He will have completed his work before his father comes. Now the question is, comes is right. Why not came? Why not coming? Why not only come? Why comes is right? Who can explain? I invite your explanation.
Sir, come is right because sir, it is an tense of sir present indefinite.
No, it is future perfect tense. In
Yes,
future perfect tense, when it has 2 parts, the earlier action in perfect and other action in indefinite, present indefinite. He will have completed his work. It is the earlier action. First task done. Perfect task. Before his father, it is the later action. Second task done. So it should be in the present indefinite tense. In the present indefinite tense, his father is singular, subject is singular. So comes is right, not come. Okay, everybody? Future perfect tense means subject plus will or shall plus have plus third form of the verb. Completed is the third form of the verb. He will have completed his work before his father comes. Okay, everybody? Okay, everybody? Hello, everybody,
Yes,
okay?
ओके सर
Thank you.
Sir,
Next, 5th question. In the 5th
Okay,
question, you see the word given to you was beautiful. There are forms of the beautiful. What are the forms of beautiful? Now, can you tell which part of speech is beautiful? Which part of speech is beautiful? Who can answer? Beautiful is what part of speech? You don't know. Beautiful is adjective. What is beautiful? What's beautiful is?
Adjective.
Very good. And what is the noun form of beautiful? Beautiful is the adjective form. What is the noun form of beautiful? Who can tell?
Sir,
Noun
beauty.
form.
Beauty.
Very good. Beauty. Can you tell which noun it is? Beauty is noun. You are right. Which noun out of 5 nouns?
Sir,
Very good.
Abstract noun.
Abstract noun. You are right. Abstract noun. Beauty is the abstract noun. And what is the adverb form of beauty? Adverb form of beautiful or beauty. Adverb.
Sir, I think beautiful.
Yes, tell.
Sir, beautiful.
What is the adverb form of beautiful? Beautiful is the adjective.
Beautify.
What?
Beautify.
No, you are wrong. Now only one is the beautifully. In generally adverb ly is there. Beautifully. And what is the verb form of beautiful? Verb form of beautiful.
Sir, beautifully is.
Beautifully is nahi, beautifies.
Yes, sir, beautify, sir.
Beautify is the plural form, and when ses are added, then y into ies. beauty, beautify. For the singular, beauties, y into ies. So
Beautiful.
the beauty of the Taj beautifies Agra most beautifully. Okay, the beauty of the Taj beautifies verb. Agra most is adjective. Most beautifully. Since adverb qualifies adjective also, verb also. So beautifully is adjective. Now the test is clear or not, everybody? Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.